All right, and welcome to Embedding 101. Now, I know you're here to watch and learn about how to embed your Zoom videos, but before we do that, I want to talk a little bit about embedding content in Canvas. Now, Canvas has this what you see is what you get, or WYSIWYG editor for everything, for assignments, for quizzes, for everything you do in Canvas, discussions, it doesn't matter. It's always got this editor, and the editor is the same, so you need to really learn how to do that. And if you want to embed an image, a lot of you know that you can put in a URL to an image or go to Flickr and type in the word that you're looking for and, I don't know, find a picture that you like. And notice when you get that picture, it's going to automatically alt text it for you, which is again for ADA compliance, but it's also going to let you say how big you want that picture to be. So if I want that picture to be 300 pixels, it'll automatically reset this so that when I embed that picture, it'll go right in and be the right size. Now, I, of course, can always go back in and edit it by just highlighting it and going in and changing the alt text or doing whatever I need to do, but that's embedding pictures. What if I wanted to embed a video? Well, a lot of us use YouTube, and what I see people doing is maybe you go to a YouTube video, you want to share with your students about submission comments. So what teachers will do is they'll grab the link to that YouTube video, and they'll come back to their class, and they'll share the link, and what you'll notice is Canvas will automatically put in a thumbnail for you. Let's go ahead and look and see what that looks like. This is the Canvas thumbnail, and when you click on it, it has been embedded and it will show up in the course, but it's only going to show when students click on it. Let's take another look at how we could do that. Now, that link that we copied, there's a special tool inside of Canvas that's designed for embedding. It's the Embedding Tool. And if you go right here where it says Insert Edit Media, you can now paste that YouTube URL. And again, you have those dimensions. You could change the dimensions. Let's go ahead and put this up to 700 and watch what happens here. Do you see how different that looks? Which do you like better? The thumbnail version or the actual embedded video, which will play live right inside of your Canvas course? And so knowing how to embed is important, but there are lots of other things you should know about embedding. For example, that same embedding tool, again, it's right here next to the link tool, can be used to embed all kinds of things. For example, if you don't have a YouTube link, when you click on the share button, you can get what's known as the embed code. Now, you don't have to know anything about embed code to simply highlight it and copy it. But what you should know is that a lot of web pages, for example, let's say I go to my favorite TED Talk and I click on the share, one of the tools there is going to be embed. And I can highlight and copy that embed code. So I can copy that code. I can come back to Canvas, right? And then what I can do is in Canvas, I can come down and go to this embed tool. Now, if I have embed code, instead of putting the link in, I click where it says embed, and now I can actually embed that TED Talk into my Canvas course. What if I'm using H5P or some other tool? See these tools right here where you can do fun things with images for your students? Well, guess what they have as well? They have embed code. And so when you click on that embed code, right? Again, you can change that aspect ratio to be the size you want. But once you copy that code, when you come back to Canvas, all you have to do is click where you want that thing to go, click on this tool, go to where it says embed, and embed it. And now, what you'll have in your Canvas courses is embedded content. Now, you can use thumbnails, but they don't look as nice as embedded videos or embedded TED Talks or embedded H5P.